In Madrid, Admiral Forrest Sherman, United States Chief of Naval Operations, is accompanied by Mrs. Sherman as he attends a diplomatic reception held during his visit to Spain to negotiate for United States naval and air bases. It is the last official duty performed by America's great naval leader, this time in the role of statesman. A few short days after these pictures were taken with Spanish dignitaries, Admiral Sherman died suddenly in Naples of a heart attack. In his conferences with Generalissimo Franco, Admiral Sherman laid the groundwork for new bastions in the defense of Western Europe. New friends in Spain join America in her mourning.